Welcome back friends. In this video I will show you how to use wireless power share or reverse wireless charging feature on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or regular Galaxy Note 20. This feature provides an option to charge other compatible devices from Galaxy Note 20 Ultra wirelessly. First, go to Quick Settings menu by swiping down like this. Slide down once again to expand this. Here, search for wireless power share. In my phone, it is on the first page itself. Go ahead and tap on wireless power share. You will get a message like this on the screen which says it is ready to charge and some instructions on how to charge other devices. Now, to charge any devices such as smartphone or Galaxy Buds Plus, place it over the phone. Here is my Galaxy S7. You can see it is charging. You can put it in this way as well. It charges the phone. This works even if you have a case. I am using the Spigen case for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That's it for this video on how to use Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as wireless charger for other compatible devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video useful.